Changing your payout method on First International Bank and Trust is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the First International Bank and Trust website or mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select payout methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You may have options like bank transfer, check, or other payment services. Follow the prompts to enter the new payout information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on First International Bank and Trust. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.